And the third is, sorry, fourth, right? I'll send this note to you, right? But if you really need, you can write down, that's okay. No objection on that. If you really need, you can take a print screen, you can take a photo of this, or you can write down, no objection. So if you read to remember, do anything that you like. Write down, or take a photo, or take a screenshot, anything. Okay, how to copy? Can anyone tell how to copy and paste?
Control C and Control V.
Yes, you can go to the file එකට ගිහිල්ලා file එක select කරලා මේ file එක නම් ඒක select කරලා control C press control C ඊට පස්සේ අපිට මේ file එක දාගන්න ඕන තැනට ගිහිල්ලා අපි හිතමු අලුත් folder එකට අපිට දාගන්න ඕන කියලා new folder double click on the folder then go inside and control V. Now you can see the copy of this file will come here. Right, in the other way, if you press Control X and Control V, what will happen? Control X and Control V.
It will cut the file.
Yeah, it will move the. It will. Yes.
Move the file without lifting it in another.
Yes, it will move the file. It will move the original file. So you can do this using menu commands. You can right click.
The file hello moves to the new folder.
Yes, file hello moves to the new folder. If you right click here, if you right click, cut, right click, paste, original file from the folder, it moves out. If you right click, cut, right click, paste, then this file moves here. Or you can right click, copy, and right click, paste, but it will not move the original file, it will copy the file. So that is the difference. Okay, so let's write down that as well. If you want, you can just write this quickly, right? How to copy? Right click on the file, then select copy. Go to the location where you need the copy, then right click and paste. Or you can say Control Z, Control C, and Control V. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Control V to paste. How to move? The same thing. The moving files can be done using right click and cut, and paste. Or you can press Control X and Control V. Okay, this is the traditional way. Shall I give you some other way to do this? Shall I tell you some other way? Okay.
Sir, wait.
Wait, you're right. You're right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can write. Now please go to your computer if you have it with you now. Press Control and Insert. Control Insert and Shift Insert. Here, this in the keyboard. These are the keys, right? This is your keyboard. In keyboard, sorry. First press, select the file and Control Insert. Control and Insert together. Control and Insert together. Then go to some other location. Let's create a new folder. Then in the new folder, shift and insert. Shift insert. What's happening? Control insert, and then in the new location, shift insert. Try it.
Sir, can you say it again?
Excuse me, sir. I have a key code IN is not insert.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So what you have to do, first go to the file, okay? First go to the file or folder, then press Control and insert. Control and INS, Control INS. Then go to any other location and then shift and INS, shift and insert. What's happening?
It copied.
It copies, no? Right.
It got copied.
It copies, yes. Yes, let me, I'm recording, right? I'm recording, I think you have signal issue something, right? I'll recording. Then control insert and shift insert. So I think most of the people don't know this. This is how originally people, that's why insert, the key name is insert. Control insert will copy, shift insert will paste. Control insert will copy and shift insert will paste. So you can write down that way as well. O control insert CTRL plus INS insert and shift insert. That will also copy and paste. That is something additional. Yes, okay. Right, okay. So let's, then the next one, how to password protect. Oh, how to password protect. Yes?
Sir, it works with the on-screen keyboard.
It's work with the on-screen. I think something wrong with your inside. Maybe sometimes you have turned on your numlock pad. Can be something like that. Maybe you have turned off or turned on your numlock pad and check it again. Sometimes
Sir, it is unlocked, not locked.
unlock can see, then sometimes it might affect. Likewise, you can
I
just.
mean, it's unlocked. It's unlocked.
Okay. So then how to password protect a file? How to password protect a file? That is for grade 8. A grade 8 thing. How to password protect a file? It's for grade 8. Yes? Okay, let's go to this one. And I'm having a file. Okay. Now I'm having a file. Okay, this file has a secret. This file has a secret. Maybe your password. Like, okay, your password. Something like, okay, let's say your password is, this is your password. There is a secret and you are going to save this file. Okay, save this. But what will happen since this file is, let's save this file as password.txt, and this file need to be secured. But the thing is, unfortunately, anyone open this file can see the password. Anyone open this file, I can see the password. This is password. Anyone double click can open the file, can see the password. How to stop that? Any method to stop that? Yes, I got that. Yes. Hiding is one thing. Yeah, you can hide. You can here right click properties and you can hide this here, hidden. When you tick hidden and apply and okay, that will be hidden. That is one method. Some other method. Okay, you can do something like this. Let's do this and check whether it's working here. Wait. You can download this small software. So basically, sometimes it's available in the earlier Windows versions. This was available. Earlier Windows versions, this was available, but new versions, it seems it's not by default available. So when you create something like this, okay, you can send this file to here. So one thing that you can do, just delete this file right first. This is my password file. You can right click on that file. You can right click on that file and send to, select send to, compress zipped folder. Compress zip folder. Please do this with me, right? So create a file. It's a text file. How to create a text file? Right click, new, then select text file.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
When I go new, there is no. I can't find the compressed one. You told.
Yeah, and not new,
Excuse
right?
me, sir.
Yes.
When I do the send to and I did compressive folder and it makes a new file type, new text document dot zip.
Yeah, that's correct. So if you write a secret here, so then write a secret message after sending text message, then write a message, some message like, okay, this is my secret, something, right? Then save the file. Then you have your secret file. Then right click on the file, send to, compress zipped folder, compress zipped folder. That will create here new text document, but this new file is, go to properties, it is zip file. Now you can delete this file. This is my secret. I'm going to delete. No worries, because even I can make empty.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it opens with WinRAR archive.
Yeah, it's okay. It can open with any software that you have. But anyway, please create this
Now
file.
is it protected?
No. Now it's not protected. So let's follow the steps, right? Let's follow the steps one by one. First, you have created the file. Then you right click on the file. Then you have send to compressive folder. After sending that, you can delete the original file because that is no more required. You can delete it, and you can even permanently empty your recycle bin. Now file is deleted, but your text file is now inside this zipped. Zipped folder is something like this. You know that ඔයාලගේ මේ ඔය තියෙන පර්ස් එහෙම පොකට්
Sir, when
wallet එකක් පර්ස් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකද ඔයාලට zip එක වහන්න පුළුවන්. මොනවා හරි දාලා ඉවර වෙලා you can put your pens, pencils and all to the wallet or the purse or whatever. Then you can close the zip. Zip is something like that. Here you can see the zip. Zip එකක් පේනවනේ නේද මේකේ?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you tell it again?
from
What?
the beginning.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why? What has happened, Shamin? Why you missed that?
Okay, sir, I had a network problem. Can you tell it? I mean, it's done.
Yeah, first of all, you have to create your text file. So this time, clearly ask, right? Clearly listen, text document. Then you can write anything, a secret message there. Okay, your secret message. Save the file. Right click on the text file, send to zipped folder, compress or zipped folder. Okay, after that, delete the original file because it is not required now. Delete it. Empty the recycle bin. Now deleted. Now the zip version is there. Zipping means similar to you put your pens and pencil to a purse and close the zip. මොකක් හරි බෑග් එකකට දාන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඔයාගේ ස්කූල් බෑග් එකට පොත් ටික දාලා zip එක වහනවා වගේ තමයි zipping කියලා කියන්නේ. Because when you open the zip file, inside that you have that file. When you open the file, inside that you have that secret file, but it is not protected, right? It is not protected. To protect that, you can right click and add password, but some computers it's not available. Right? You can go inside the zip file, right click and add password, but some computers it's not available. So
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I told you that my zip file is opening with that WinRAR archiver.
Yes.
How can I password protect? How do you put that, sir? The password?
So you can go anyway, open it in. So go to that one, open it, right? Double click and open it. Inside that, right click and see whether the add password is available.
Sir, excuse me. When I click that WinRAR archive folder, it doesn't seems like a thing like that.
No. Then let's do small thing. Let's do
Sir.
small thing. Wait.
Sir, when
Says
Wait.
when you double click it says select all, copy files to clipboard, copy full names to clipboard, add files to archive, extract to specified folder.
Wait. Just wait. Right. Okay. After that, so I'll tell you another software. This is free and open source. It is easy. So you can download this one, 7-zip. 7-zip. You can just search in the Google. It's very small file. You can download. 7-zip. It's very small file. You can download this exe, the second one, 64-bit one. And if your computer has 32-bit one, you can download this one or this one of these. Let me download the second one. Save. It's only 1.4 megabyte, right? It's very small file, very lightweight. So once downloaded, it's here in the download folder. I'll give you the steps, right? That is better, I think. Otherwise, you will ask various questions from, because each of you having different environments. Easy that if you can install this, done. Then you can open this with here 7-zip, and you can open with that, open the archive. Then you can right click and add the password, or you can password protect it. In tools, I think, tools options.
Excuse me, after 7-zip, what do I have to do? I mean, install in 7-zip?
Yes.
What to do?
What to do means just installing. After installing, you can just right click, right? Right click on the file and then go to the 7-zip menu, right? Then add to archive. There you can give a password. Right? After installing 7-zip, you can do this. Right click on the file, 7-zip, then add to archive. Then you can easily give, let's give a password 123 and 123. So that is general, because otherwise you will have otherwise in your computer you have different software. Then it's very difficult to me to instruct, because each and every one I have to tell separate instruction. That we can do in the practical, but now it's not possible, no? Otherwise it will take some more time, no? Let's click OK. Then you can see this is the password protected file. To open that, right? To open that, you have to again use the 7-zip. So not this one, sorry. To open that, you can again use the 7-zip, but that time it will ask the password. Right click, 7-zip, open. That time, if you want to
So
open,
you must just right click.
it will ask password. Right? Okay, let's write down the steps quickly. So you can try this, right? You can try this after writing down, and after watching the video, you can try this. If there are any issues, then I can help you after that. So first write the steps quickly. Okay, I'll mention like this. I'll start from the middle. Download 7-zip and install. Download 7-zip and install. Right click on the file. Right click on the file and select 7-zip. Add to archive. Give a password and confirm it. Then you can, but you have to remember the password. Otherwise, what will happen? You can't open the file again. To open, right click on the file, 7-zip, then open and give the password. That is how you open it. Okay, please write down this part and try it along. Actually, I have to just start the grade 9 class, and that's why I was quickly giving the steps, right? So if you have any issues, any problems, please let us know in the practical session. So practical then we can help, because you have the weekly practical, another additional half an hour practical session. Please let me know that time. Then individually we can help. Then individually we can help. Okay, with that I'm going to stop today's session. If you still have the problems which need to be solved immediately, what you can do is send a WhatsApp, then we will help you to solve that. Okay. Then, good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.